Craze, marks for the Braun 1 arrival. On departure, maintain 3,000, expect 8,000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 134.3, squawk 4544.
Skyline 124 Bravo Sierra is cleared to the San Antonio Airport via Craze. Marks arrival, Marks transition, Braun 1 arrival. 3,000, expect 8,000, 10 minutes later. Departure frequency 134.3, squawking 4544.
Cessna 4 Bravo Sierra, rebatch correct.
Alright, sweet. Hey guys, today we are flying to San Antonio, Texas to pick up our friend Scott. And we are currently in College Station, Texas, which is where I go to school. As you can see, there's a Gulfstream there, there's a few other planes. It's kind of busy today because tomorrow there's a football game, Texas A&M versus UCLA, so you get a lot of traffic or in the day of a football game like shouldn't affect us too much. It's because it's mainly busier the day of. Seems like every video I'm sweating because it is extremely hot. It's 32 degrees Celsius, and I always seem to choose the hottest part of the day to fly.
Princess 124 Bravo Sierra, fly runway heading, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 34, clear for takeoff, 124 Bravo Sierra. Alright. Okay, the runway is clear. Now we will check. Final is clear as well. Alright, I can see 3-4 on the paint. I'm going to look for 3-4 on the HSI, confirm the correct runway for takeoff. Scan it around, 3-4 on the paint. And we are indicating 3-4 on the HSI as well. To the floor and we will go full power. Airspeed is alive, engine instruments in the green. Alright, there's VR, we'll rotate. That airspeed build up to VY, runway heading. VY, we'll keep pitch for that.
Sierra, the airport is at your 2 o'clock and 5 miles.
4 Bravo Sierra, we're looking. 4 Bravo Sierra has a field site.
4 Bravo Sierra, you're cleared to visual approach to runway 30 left. Caution lake turbulence, you're 4.5 miles in trail of a Boeing 737. Contact tower 119.8. Have a good day.
Clear for the visual, 30 left, and we'll contact tower 124 Bravo Sierra. San Antonio Tower, Skyline 124 Bravo Sierra, visual, 30 left.
Takeoff.
Left takeoff, 30 right, stop Charlie.
San Antonio Tower, Skyline 124 Bravo Sierra, visual, 30 left.
Skyline 124 Bravo Sierra, San Antonio Tower, runway 30 left, continue traffic, be holding in position.
Continue, 4 Bravo Sierra.
London 747, contact departure.
Hey, departure, London 747.
Okay, visual, we're
Delta 16,
far right of center
San
line.
Antonio Tower, runway 30 left, line up and wait.
Visual left line point, Delta 1629.
Back. There's 10 below 140.
Southwest 471, make a left there and then contact ground.
Left and ground, Southwest 471, thanks for your help.
We're way high.
37 Papa Charlie, turn right, heading of 330.
330, Pop Charlie.
Below 120, 20 degrees flaps.
Delta 1629, runway 30 left, 1060 at 8, cleared for takeoff traffic. 2 mile finals at Cessna 182.
Delta 1629, clear for takeoff, 30 left.
We're 4 Bravo Sierra, runway 30 left, wind 060 at 8, clear to land, caution wake turbulence for the departing 737.
30 left, clear to land, 124 Bravo Sierra. Alright, we'll note his rotation point.
7 Papa Charlie, contact departure, traffic departing, the left side will be on runway heading a Boeing 737.
Okay, switching departure, Papa Charlie, Victor.
High, very high. Alright, let's go ahead and get 30 degrees flaps in. We'll slow down off here for a second. It's 30.
Traffic.
Still very high, power's going to come out.
Traffic.
Delta 1629, contact departure, traffic head to your right on the departure from the right side, the Cessna 210 out of 2000.
1629, we're looking, going on departure.
Roger.
Alright, runway's made, power's coming out. Alright, touchdown. We'll get that
Sure, 4 Bravo Sierra, where are you parking?
Signature north, 4 Bravo Sierra.
This is 4 Bravo Sierra, roger, make a left turn there, the next taxiway, and then contact ground.
Left on Alpha, and we'll contact ground 4 Bravo Sierra. Alright, wind is coming up. Okay, clear the taxiway, we'll contact ground. Make sure lane strobes are off. Centennial ground, Skyline 124 Bravo Sierra is cleared. The active on Alpha, taxi into Signature North.
Number 124 Bravo Sierra, San Antonio ground, cross golf, and taxi the ramp and hotel.
And cross Gulf and taxi to the ramp via hotel, 124 Bravo Sierra. Not our best. We were pretty high when we were handed off. You know, San Antonio's a busy airport, you don't want to clog things up, but certainly.
Ground, Airshare 3,
Aston
94
High,
taxi from Signature North with pop-up. Okay, we're going via Golf to
Hey guys,
runway
welcome to San
30
Antonio.
left,
Hope you guys
with
enjoy your stay
I just
here.
wanted to say you're going to make a left on runway 4 after golf.
I'm out of here right after this, and hope you guys enjoy the flight. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.
Oh yeah, we got you. We're going to go
If you hated the video, give it a thumbs down. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.